ContGpt software, use of special prompts. In addition to text, we can also create different text content. For this, we can add a new prompt in the settings and use it for various purposes. For example, if you want it to promote products based on the headlines you give it, you can give it a prompt accordingly. Enable the HTML output and subheading generator options to allow it to write content with subheadings. OK, now let's give 5 product titles and examine their contents. In a different scenario, let's want to create interesting information for our social media account. For example, when we write a list of animals, let's add the resulting list to the loop list. Now we enter the prompt for interesting facts about this animal and specify how many times we will iterate for each element in the loop list. Starting from the first element of the list, it creates a list according to the prompt we provided for each element. Now, let's generate short informational texts from the draft of interesting facts we created. For this, we'll use the information text generator prompt we added earlier, specifying the word count and the save folder. Once we've set these parameters, we initiate the process. The generated contents are saved both as HTML and Excel files. By verifying the accuracy of similar texts created, we can convert them from Excel files to social media posts on platforms like Canva or utilize them for different purposes. For each item, a subject-appropriate image is created. If you do not want images to be created, you can set the image section to none in the settings. OK, now let's add 2 more prompts called Travel Guide and Football Commentator. Now let's select the travel guide prompt and go to the content production page to produce travel content. Then, let's make the necessary settings and start content production. Then let's review the content produced.